Hello, my dear students. This is Raman Rana here, your mathematics teacher, Cambridge International School, Dasua. Today, we will start with the homework questions, question number 8, 10, and 12. Then we will start areas of combinations of plane figures. 8. Exercise 12.2. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Then find first the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze, and the second, find the increase in grazing area if the rope is 10 meter long instead of 5 meter, and use pi is equal to 3.14. So here diagram is given. A 15 meter grass field is given, and at one corner of it is a square field. This is a square field of 15 meter. So at one corner, one horse is tied, and the distance here 15 by 15, this grass field. Now this is 5 meter. Now we know the angle of squares are 90 degree. So solution here, we have the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. This area we want to find. So here, this is the quadrant. Theta is 90 upon 360, that 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi is 3.14. So the first part, the grazing area, that is equal to 90 upon 360, that is 1 by 4. Pi is 3.14, and r in this case is 5. 5 here, this is 5, this is 5. So 5 into 5, 25. So 4 ones are 4, 0.7, 28, 34, 8, 32, 2, 5. So we have area is equal to 0.785 into 25. So here multiply with this calculation, 785 with 25. So here 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 42, 4 carry 35, 39 here, 5 2s are 10, 16, 1, 17, 14 plus 1, 15. So here we have 5, 2, here 16, 9, 1. So decimal, we have 3 decimal places. So this area, this grazing area is 19.625 meter square. So part 1, this is the grazing area in which the horse can graze. Now the second part. Now if the radius, instead of 5, radius is 10. If radius is 10, the rope length is increased, then the question is this: how much increase in area, grazing area, how much increase? So we have to find the difference of these two quadrants, bigger quadrant minus the smaller quadrant. So in this case, we have the area is equal to, here theta will remain same, 90 degree, pi, that is 3.14. now bigger quadrant, that is 110 square minus 5 square, r square. So Here we have 3.14 into 4, that is again 0.785, and here this is 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 is 75. So we will again go with the calculation that 785 with 75. So 5 5s are 25, 40, 42. Here again it is same 3925, but now with 7 5s are 35, 56 plus 3 59, 49 plus 5 54. So here we have 5 7 8 8 and 8, and this is 5. So we have the increase in grazing area, this shaded portion here, this area from is equal to 58.875 meter square. So dear students, I hope the calculation is very clear. In first part, we have to find only the area of the quadrant, and then we have to find the area of this, like we are finding the area of the ring. Here we are finding the area of the difference of these two quadrants in this way. So here the second part, that is the area is 58.875 meter square. Question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of umbrella. So here solution, we'll assume that the umbrella is a flat circular in shape. It is having 8 ribs. So here this one is we need to find the area of at least one here, assuming umbrella to be a flat circular radius of 45. Here R is 45 centimeter, and the area between two consecutive means any two we can take. The shaded area we want to find, so we need to find the angle. So here the angle theta is equal to total complete angle is 360 divided by 8. So here, which is 45 degree. So area of the shaded region, area is equal to theta upon 360, which is again 1 by 8. Pi here is 22 upon 7, and R is 45 into 45. So we have 1, this is 1 upon 8 into 22 upon 7 into 45 into 45. So here we have 11, and here we have 4. So 45 into 45, 45 into 45, we have 25, and here we have again 20, and so we have 5202. So again with 11, because we have in denominator it is 28, and here 11 into, that is 2025, we have 5 7 2, 2, 2. So we have 75 centimeter square. So area of this shaded portion, or the area between two consecutive ribs is 22275 divided by 28 centimeter square. So this is a very simple questions, maximum of 2 marks. Question number 12. To warn ships for underground rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So here in this question, let the angle subtended here is 80 degree and the distance here is 16.5 kilometer. This angle here is of 80 degree. This is a lighthouse here and radius here is 16.5. So theta here, the angle is 80 degree. Radius R is 16.5 kilometer. So we want to find the area of this sector. Find the area of the sea over which the ship are warned. So this is the area. So here area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi 3.14 and the r square here is 16.5 into 16.5. So here 0 with 0, 8 9 fours are, or here we have 4 twos are 8 and 9 fours are 36. So again we can multiply 2 into, this is 2 into 3.14 and here divided by 9. So make the calculation with 9 also again, or here we can go ahead with 6.28 upon 9 into, let's multiply 16.5 into 16.5. So here 5 5s are 25, 32, here 8, 30, 39, 9, and here we have then 5 6 1, which is 5 2, and here we have 17 plus 22 again, and we have here 17 and 2. So we have 272.25. Let's again check. 5 5s are 25, 30, 32 and 8 25, 30, 36, 39. So 5 2. So here we have 22 2 carry, so 17. So this is 272.25. 272.25. So here divide with 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 0.6. Here you can go for the calculation, or even we can divide this one with 9 also. 6.28 with 9. 0 9 6 are 54. So here 12 8, that is 88. Now 9, 81, and we have left with 7, then again 0. We have 9 sevens are 63, so on. So here we can move ahead this with calculation with 0.69. So if you want to go for rounding off, we can go with 7, and here we can let's go ahead with this is again 7, so 7, so on. We can convert it into 8. So multiply by 272.25. So calculation is long. We can go ahead with even rounding off that 200. That's 27225 and 698. 8 5s are 40. 16. 2 is the carry. 16, 18. 1 is the carry. 56, 57. Then 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Now 9 is 45. 18 plus 4, 22. 2, 18 plus 2, 20. 2, 63, 65. 6, 8 2s are 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6, 24. And we have 6 5s are 30, 12, 15, 13, 42, 43, 4, 12 plus 4, 16. So we have 0, 5, 0, 2, 12. Here it is 9, 10, 1, 7, 9, 10, and here 8, 9. So here it is approximately 190. It is approximately 190 meter square. 190 kilometer. Unit is here kilometer square. It is approx. Dear students, this is all about the calculation work. Okay, so this is approximately 190 kilometer square. So with this we have gone through exercise 12.2. We have discussed all the questions of exercise 12.2, and I hope you are very much clear with the area of the sector and the area of the segments. The next topic is area of combination of plane figures. So we have example number 4, a very important example. Here in the example 4, a square bed is given A, B, C, D. The side of square is 56 meter, and along its two sides we have a flower bed along the sides. Now here in the question we need to find the area of this square lawn and these two flower beds. So here we will join the diagonals of the square. We know the diagonals of a square intersect each other at O here, and this angle is always 90 degree. So we need to find the area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, that is 56 into 56 meter, and here we want to find this area of the shaded portion, that is the flower bed, one here, and both are of same dimension. So in totality, we want to find the area of the square lawn and the flower beds. So here OA, let OA will take, let OA is x, let OA is equal to x, means OA, OC, OB, OD all are of equal length, that is x. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus x square is equal to 56 whole square. So twice of x square, this implies that twice of x square is equal to 56 whole square. Further, this implies that x square is equal to 28. With 2, we will 28 into 56. That this is question number 1. We will use it because x square, the area of the right angle triangle, here this right angle triangle, half into base into, so here half x square we will use in so many x. The value of x square is 28 into 56. So the area of the segment, area of the segment or flower bed is equal to area of a sector minus area of a triangle. So area of a triangle AOB is equal to half into x square. So x square here is 28 into 56. So we can write down this area is equal to half into 28 into 56. Even we can further write down that in place of 28 we can write down 56, and here we will write 4. 1 upon 4, this is equal to 1 upon 4 into 56 into 56 to make our calculation easy. So here area of segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So area of the sector is 1 by 4 pi 22 upon 7 theta upon 360 into pi r square. So in this case, the r square is x square, that is x square minus area of the triangle, that is half into x square. So x square is common, that is x square is common outside, which is your 28 into 56, the value of x. This value I am substituting here. Now I have left here with again 2 with 11. So we can go ahead with 11 upon 14 minus 1 upon 2. So this calculation we have 14. So here 28 into 56. Here LCM is 14 and 11 minus 7. So the area of the segment we have, that is 4 upon 28 into 56, 4 upon 14, or we can 2 upon 7. This is for the 2 upon 7. Now this is the area of one flower bed. We have one more. So we need a total area, the required area, total area is equal to area of the square lawn, that is 56 into 56 plus 2 upon 7 into 28 into 56 plus 2 upon 7 into 28 into 56. This is the area of one flower bed, another flower bed, and area of square lawn. So we can take 2 common from this 56. We can write 2 here outside, and in case of 56 we can write in 28 here. So we have 28 into 56 common in 3. So this area is, further we can write on 28 into 56 common, 2 plus 2 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. So this is the total area of the lawn and 2 flower beds. So here this is further equal to 28 into 56 multiply by, when we go for the LCM, here LCM is 7 and 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 19. 14 plus 4 is here 18. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So we have to go for the multiplication here, that is 28 into 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8, 144. So last calculation we have to go for 144 into 28. So it is 32, 32, it is 35 and 11, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 2. So we have 2, 3, 0, 4. So we have the area, it is in meter square. So the total area is equal to 4032 meter square. The area of lawn, square lawn plus 2 flower beds. This is very important questions. Most of the time it is asked in the examinations. Example number 5. In example number 5, the design is in such a way that one square with the side 14 centimeter and 4 smaller circles are in such a way that all are touching here. We need to find this shaded area. All 4 circles are congruent, given here that all and touching the each other also and touching the sides of the square. So we need to find this shaded area. You can check the diagram in the book also. So here all the 4 circles are congruent, means their radius is same. So both the circles are touching the square. So here the diameter of a circle, diameter of one circle is equal to half of the side, that is 7 centimeter, or R, that is radius is equal to, that is 7 and R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now to find the shaded area, what we have to find the area of the square. Area of the square is equal to 14 into 14, that is 196 centimeter square. And the shaded area is equal to the area of the square. Area of the square, that is 196 centimeter square, minus 4 into pi r square. So here pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 3.5 into 3.5. So here 7 1s are 7, 0.5. So 196 minus, here we have 4 into that is 11 into 3.5, again 35, 35 is 385, so 4 into 385, decimal is here, 20, 2, 32, 34, 3, 12, 44. So we have the area of the shaded portion is 196 minus 144 centimeter square. So here the shaded area is equal to 6 minus 4, 2, and 9 minus 52 centimeter square. On the same ground, we have example number 6. It is also very important example. Example 6. One square is given with the side 10 meter. One square is given with the side 10 meter, and here the design is made in such a way that the semicircles with the diameter equal to the diameter, whose diameter is equal to the side of the square. If we adding both these semicircle, it will make a complete circle. In the same way, one more semicircle. In this example 6, we need to find this shaded area here. So questions sometimes in the examiner, this unshaded area is interested in this unshaded area. So the concept here is very simple. The side here is 10 units or 10 meter or centimeter. So the radius of the circle, all the circle is 5. Now to find the area, let me give a hint. If this is the square and this is the semicircle, so we can find the area 1, area 2. Area 1, area 2 means this shaded area. Area 1 plus area 2 is equal to area of the complete square minus area of the semicircle. So here in this case, the area of the square is 100. Area of the square, let area 1, this is area 1, this is area 2. Area 1 plus area 2 is equal to area of the square, that is 10 into 10 is 100, minus, here in this question example they are saying use pi is equal to 3.14. So here r is 5, apply 3.14, r is 5 into 5. So we have 100 minus 3.14 into 3.14 into 25. So 25, 7, 0, 78.75. It is 78.50. So area 1 and 2 is equal to your 50. So here that is 1 and 2, 21.50 meter or square units. Square units is the area here. Now this is the area 1 and 2. Similarly, if we want to find area 3 and 4, we have to subtract from the area of the square minus your area of the circle. In this way, if this is the square here, we have this one area, this is the semicircle 1 and this is the semicircle 2. This is area 3 and area 4. Area of the square minus area of one circle. So we have the total area, that is area 3 plus area 4 is also equal to 21.50. So combining for these 4 areas, that is equal to, adding both area 1 to total is equal to 2143 meter square. Now come to the question. We are interested to find this shaded area. The shaded area is equal to area of the square. Area of the square, that is the shaded area. The shaded area is equal to the area of the square minus unshaded area, that is 43. So we have the shaded area is equal to 57 meter square or centimeter square, square units. Let me recapitulate this question again. Side of the square is 10 units and we want to find this shaded area. So we have find first area 1, area 2. Area 1, area 2 is equal to area of the complete square minus area of these two semicircle which are unshaded. If we join them both these circles, one part is this one and another part is this one. So this is equal to 21.50. So similarly, area 3, area 4 is same, 21.50 square units. So adding both the portions, area 1, area 2 and area 3, area 4, we have 43 square units. Now shaded area, this shaded area is equal to the area of the complete square minus area 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is 57 square units. So dear students, you can start with exercise 12.3. This exercise is totally based on area of combinations of plane figures. So this is the last exercise. So as a homework, you can carry on the exercise, beginning 5 questions as a homework. 1 to 5 questions are as a homework. Tomorrow we will discuss all these one by one. Thank you very much.